Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Parag Jambulkar. In last video, we have seen how to implement queue data structure in Java language. In this video, we will see how to implement priority queue in Java language. So basically, to implement queue, we require queue interface. Queue interface is a part of collection framework. Queue interface is implemented in linked list class, just like list is implemented in linked list class. In the same way, queue is also implemented in linked list class. So by using this linked list, we can implement queue data structure. As it is an interface, we require some class which implements this interface. Similar to linked list, priority queue is a class which implements queue interface, but it is a special kind of queue. From the name you will come to know it is a priority queue. Priority queue in the sense to the elements some priority is given. When we implement normal queue, so elements are added and queue this data structure is based on the principle FIFO, first in first out. In the sense whatever the element is added first is removed first. But in priority queue, some priority is given to the elements, and that priority, in general, that priority is based on main heap. So there are few things for the priority queue. It is a special kind of queue. One thing, then all the elements in queue are comparable. Comparable in the sense we can compare the elements in the sense 2, 1, 6, 4, all these are numbers we can compare with each other, just like 2 is larger than 1, 1 is smaller than 6, 6 is greater than 4, likewise. Or suppose a, b, d, g, these characters we can compare themselves. Or suppose these strings we can compare this string based on the first character. So all these are the comparable. So we can add such elements in priority queue which we can compare with each other. First thing. Then priority queue is implemented as a heap, and especially it is implemented as a main heap. In the sense, root is a minimum element, their children are larger than the root element, and again those children are larger than their children. So priority queue is implemented as a main heap. We'll see example so it will be clear. So we'll see some example. Now see in last video we have seen how to implement queue. So queue is an interface and queue is implemented by this class, linked list class. Now for priority queue, again we are implementing queue but as a priority queue. So queue is an interface and we are implementing in a class priority queue. In the same way, whatever the program we have seen for the queue, same program I have copied for the priority queue. The only difference is instead of linked list, now it is a priority queue. In the same way, I have added the elements. To add the elements in priority queue, we can use add function or we can use offer function. Any function we can use. So we are adding the elements in priority queue. 10 we have added, then 25 we are adding, then 22, then 18. And after that we are removing the elements. So first element. So just like stack, we have top element. So in stack, whatever the element which is recently added is removed first. In queue, that is a different thing. There is a top. Here is the head. So element at the head is removed. So in queue, the element which is the first added is removed first. But in priority queue, elements are arranged in mean heap. So accordingly, elements are removed. We'll see example. We will run this, so you will come to know. So it got compiled. Now we will run this. Okay, we got the output. Now look at this. We have added 10, then we have added 25, then we have added 22, then we have added 80. But there should be 18 at the end. Look at this. The elements were 10, 25, 22. Then we added 18. So basically, if it is a normal queue, then 18 will get added at the end. But it is a priority queue, element is added in the middle. How it is added, we'll see. Here we can see initially queue was empty. Then we have added 10. So it is implemented as a min heap. So this one node is added there. So now queue content is 10. Next we have added 25. So 25 is added as a left child. So queue content is 10 and 25. Then we have added 22. So 22 is added as a right child. So 10, as it is a min heap, so root element should be smaller than its children. So 10 is smaller than 25 and 22. So our queue contents are 10, 25 and 22. 10, 25 and 22. Then we have added 18. Now see, 18 will be added as a left child to 25. 18 is smaller than 25, so it will swap with 25. So now 18 has come to this position and 25 to this position. Now see, 18 is greater than 10, so it is at its correct position. Now queue contents are 10, 18, 22 and 25. 10, 18, 22 and 25. Now we are removing the head element. So head element is 10. So basically we have to remove 10 now. So we have to remove 10. So in min heap you might be knowing it. When we have to remove 10, we have to shift it. We have to swap it with the last element. So last element is 25. So we'll swap with the last element. So 10 and 25 are swapped. So 10 has come to this position and 25 is here. Then as we added 25 there, but 18 is smaller than 25. So again we have to swap with the 18. So 18 came to this position and 25 came to this position. Okay, so now everyone is at this correct position. We have to remove 10. So we'll remove this 10. So now queue content is 18, 25 and 22. 18, 25 and 22. So head element is now 18. So when we have to remove the head element, root element, we swap it the last element. So last element is 22. So let's swap it. So 22 will come to this position and 18 to this position. Now we will remove 18. So 18 get removed. Now our queue content is 22 and 25. So queue content is 22 and 25. Now 22 and 25. Now head element is 22. We have to remove 22. But whatever the element we have to remove in min heap, that is at the root position. So we have to swap it with the last element. So last element is 25. So we'll swap it. So now 25 has come to this position and 22 to this position. Now we'll remove this. So we have only 25. So last element is 25. And when, so head element is now 25. When we remove 25, so queue is empty. This is how priority queue is implemented. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.